Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix the "We couldn't verify your country" YouTube Premium. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings to access your system settings. Next, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Then check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is turned off, turn it back on and reconnect to the network. After that, click on Advanced Network Settings. Now, select Network Reset to refresh your network configuration. Next, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click Check for updates and install any available updates. After that, go back to your desktop and open the Run dialog. Here, type temp and click OK. Now, delete all the files in the folder to clear temporary system files. Then open the Run dialog again and type %temp%. Now delete all the files in this folder as well. Next, open the Recycle bin. Here, click Empty Recycle bin to permanently remove the deleted files. After that, open Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Security. Now click Delete Browsing Data. Finally, select the time range, check options like browsing history, cookies and other site data, then click Delete Data to clear your browser information. Once finished, restart your computer and try subscribing to YouTube Premium again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.